Welcome back. It's never too late in life to start getting healthy or changing your lifestyle to get healthier. Holly Miner is joining us from the K-State Extension Service here to talk about Walk Kansas, a big initiative starting up.
Yes, Walk Kansas starts March 26th and goes through May 20th, and we want to welcome everybody to join us for that program. I really want to talk today a little bit more about our kickoff event that we will be having in the Wildcat District. We partnered up with the Southwind District. We partnered with them last year, so this is our second annual Wild Wind Walk Run event. It's a 5K event and will be held on April 1st.
April 1st. Now, where will this be held at?
Well, there's two different locations. So there's a location in Chanute at Neosho County Community College. We'll meet at the Student Union at 8 o'clock on the 1st of April. And then the other location is Pittsburgh, and we'll be at the Farmers Market Pavilion in Pittsburgh.
Okay, and both locations will start about the same time? Or?
Yeah, we'll start at the same time, and we'll have half of our team in one location and half of our team in the other location, and we'll get you going on the walk run. You can walk if you want to, or you can run. It doesn't make any difference. We just want people to get out and get active.
So what do you have to do to sign up to participate in this event?
So there's a link. We have a flyer that I'm sure you have that we can put up, but it will have the information on it. There's a bit.ly link that they can sign up. When they sign up for the walk run, they get registration for Walk Kansas is included in that, as well as a t-shirt and participation in the walk run event.
Okay, and they have to sign up by a certain time to be able to get that t-shirt as well?
If they sign up by March 15th, they'll get the t-shirt size and the t-shirt that they want. This is a sample of the t-shirt that we had last year. Our t-shirt design will change a little bit, but you'll get a nice t-shirt to go with it. And then the big benefit is being able to get the Walk Kansas registration for free by doing the walk run. Okay. So it gets you started, you get some miles in, some steps in, and then you get the registration for Walk Kansas.
So tell me a little bit about the registration for Walk Kansas. Like, what does that include? I know it's an 8-week program, but what do you get with that?
So this year, Walk Kansas has some new activities that are part of the program itself. So it is an 8-week program. On week 2, they're going to do a program called Med, Not Meds. So the first med is Mediterranean. So thinking of the Mediterranean diet and how we can eat healthier to keep our body in good shape and to be healthier throughout our lives. So the Med, Not Meds, as in medicine, so eating healthy and not having to take some of those medicines. Being physically fit can help reduce a lot of the chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, some of those things. Being physically fit just helps us be able to live a healthier life. So we want people to really be able to live healthy and be active and maybe not have to worry about their health care quite so much.
Okay. Well, if you want to participate in the Wild Wind Annual Kickoff Event on April 1st, which is a Saturday.
Yes.
All you have to do is go to our website later this morning. We'll have a link to the registration and that where you can get signed up and sign up for the registration and the free t-shirt for that.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.